Hi, I'm Jennie. Today I will make some special kind of jeon. I can say secured beef with mushrooms. So this one actually Korean's traditional food, one of the food. And now I'll show you. We need beef and egg and king oyster mushrooms and flour and seasonings. First, I will cut the beef. When we make this Yuk San-Juk, you should properly cut the beef. And the size is maybe 10 centimeters and long, and wide is maybe not too less than 1 centimeters. This one is too big, I think. Like this. And also here, make the same size of beef. Okay. And some greasy part is cut off. When there's a little bit shorter, and you can make it longer, like put together and chop it. Not too strong. And then they will stick together. So you can use it. You see? Like this. Okay. And I will already cut some of the beef here. So cut properly. And then we need cut this mushroom. So we don't need the head of mushroom. So cut off. And also the bottom part cut off. And then same size of this beef. Not wide. And cut off. And this one. Cut here. The round part is also cut off. You know this Yuk San-Juk, long time ago, this one is for royal family. But nowadays we cook this Yuk San-Juk when we have family gatherings or Thanksgiving Day, New Year's Day. And at that time we cook this one. Okay, now ready. Today's menu is very easy to prepare, isn't it? So that's what is secured. Oh no, before you put this beef and mushroom to secure, I think it's better to put some seasoning in this beef. Okay, so I need a bowl. Okay, here's a bowl. I will put some seasonings in the bowl first. So some minced garlic, 2 spoons. This soy sauce, 1, 2, I think 3 spoons. It depends on how much beef you need. And then put some pepper. Pepper is little bit. And mix. And this one is apple juice. So if you have your apple in your room and in your house, and then you can use it. But I prefer use this apple juice. So put some apple juice, and this one is sugar. But sugar is not too much because we use apple juice. So, and here you put this beef. Okay, to soak. So the beef is, when the beef is tender, then tender and taste good. So you put it, and if you want more taste, You put this one like this about 10 or maximum about 30 minutes. But today I will cook after a few minutes later. Okay? Okay, and then I will make this egg, beat egg. Here's a big bowl. And break the egg. Okay. And take. You beat it. If you want more yellow color and put only yellow part of egg, put one more. Okay. And here. And this one is flour. So first we secure the all together and then put the flour and then after you wear this egg and then fry it. That's Yuk San-Juk. Okay, now is use this stick. I will show you. Okay, like this. And then this mushroom. Then one more beef. I think it's 4 pieces enough because it's difficult to take out. So, and put it here. And I will make one more. And mushroom. Oh, this one is too big, but it's okay. So one more beef. How about put like this? Okay, now when make this like this, flour, not too much, little bit, thinly as possible as can, like this. Okay, and put it, and one more. Now, I will put this one in the bowl of egg. So, okay, now heat the pan and pour some enough oil. Otherwise, it's easily to burn. But I think better to medium heat. This one. Keep the medium heat. Now, when the pan is okay, put in here, and this one also. It takes time. When you turn over, and also this one. If you cook really hot temperature, it's outside is burned and then inside isn't. It doesn't cook well, so it's better to cook in medium heat and turn over in a short time, like this. And after a few seconds, and turn over and turn over. We need patience. If you don't like mushrooms, sometimes we use rice cake. So put rice cake, and some people put here in some kind of vegetables. It's also it's good. Okay. You know, here's this. When you stick together, you put some this egg between the beef and mushrooms. And easily stick together. Okay, I think it's already cooked. Nearly cooked. Okay, now I think it's nearly cooked. So this one is beef, so it's half cooked. It's okay, a little bit. Now I will cut this one. Proper shape. Actually, you cooled it for about some more minutes and then it's better to cut it. But now I'll try it. Okay, and then out. Okay, now I will put on the plate. If you have sometimes it's better to put some salad. So next to this San-Juk is much better. Okay, and also it's good to eat with kimchi. How about kimchi? And some little bit spicy salad is really good. But today is only just introduce this Yuk San-Juk. So that's it. Okay, take care and see you next time. Bye.